Today's topic is ordering food in English.
This is very useful when you travel or live in an English-speaking country.
Yes, many learners feel nervous at restaurants.
But don't worry, we will help you step by step.
Before we begin, please comment. What is your favorite food?
And don't forget to like, comment, share.
Part 1. Basic restaurant vocabulary. Let's start with simple words.
Menu, list of food. Waiter, waitress, person who serves food. Order, ask for food. Bill, money you pay.
These words are very important.
Part 2. Entering a restaurant. When you arrive, someone may say, "Hello? Table for one? Table for two?"
You can answer, "Table for 2, please." Part 3. Ordering food. Simple sentences. You can say, "I would like." "Can I have?" "I'll have."
Example, I would like a burger. Can I have water?
Part 4. Real restaurant conversation. Let's listen to a real conversation.
Hello. Welcome. Table for one?
Yes, please.
Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I would like a chicken sandwich.
Anything to drink?
Yes. Water, please.
Great choice. Part 5. Funny story. Lily, I have a funny story.
Tell me.
One time, I wanted to say I would like a burger, but I said I would like you.
What?
The waiter looked very surprised.
Part 6. Embarrassing story. I have one too. One time, the waiter asked, "For here or to go?" And I said, "Yes." I didn't understand the question.
Part 7. Useful tips. Tip 1. Speak clearly. Say each word.
Tip 4. Learn common questions. For here or to go? Anything else? Would you like a drink?
Part 8. Practice section. Repeat after me. I would like a burger.
Can I have water?
Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Part 9. Longer conversation. Let's try a longer example. Hello. Welcome.
Hi.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I would like a pizza.
What size?
Medium, please.
Anything to drink?
Yes. A soda.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Great. Thank you.
Part 10. Paying the bill. When you finish eating, say, "Can I have the bill?"
Or, check, please.
Part 11. Encouragement. Dear listeners, ordering food is a great way to practice English.
Yes, it is real-life practice.
Start with simple sentences.
Summary. Today we learned basic restaurant vocabulary, how to order food, common questions, useful tips.
And remember, don't be afraid to speak. Thank you for listening.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Please don't forget. Like, comment your favorite food, share.
See you next time.